This is Laura Sullivan-Russett.
And Grace Walkuski.
And this is our programming assignment number 3. We're going to start by running the first portion of the project. So as you can see by the output, when the packet is greater than 50, then it is divided into 2 separate packets. And then you can see that here is one packet, and then the second packet has the rest of the characters. So then for number 2, this is where we did the fragmentation and reconstruction. As you can see, router A here is fragmenting a packet, and then when it reaches the host reconstructs the packet, and the reconstructed packet contains all of the original data. And then for number 3, with our full network here, so what I did was put some of the output into an output file. And so you can see that fragments coming from router D, which does the fragmenting, get sent to the hosts, and then the hosts reconstruct them. And as you can see, host 4 receives the packet from client 2, which would be host 2, and then host 3 receives the packet from client 1, which would be host 1. And to look at the code a bit, we did modify our packets so that now they contain a source address, a destination address, an identification number, a fragment offset, and a fragment flag. And those were all used in our routing and in our fragmenting and reconstructing. And then in the simulation.py, you can see we've got our routing table, which we are feeding into the router constructor. And then each of the link layer links are created, and then each of these new server and client objects are added onto threads. And that is pretty much it.
Yep.
All right, thanks.
Good work.